Hey, just got a new or acquired drone that I need to learn how to fly. So I'm here at one of my favorite spots in Lowell, Michigan to take some video and practice flying. Burr, it is cold today, and I'm not super experienced drone pilot, so I'm back in the truck warming up and switching batteries. It's also very windy. Actually, I switched locations. I decided it was too windy to try flying over water the entire time, worried that I might have to take a cold swim to fish a drone out. So I came to the Riverside Park there, just south of Lowell, the big soccer field I could fly over. It was actually going so well that I decided I could fly over the Grand River again. I laugh because the drone loses connection mid-flight, and you can see here in a minute where it pauses and turns back to looking at me and then flies straight up in order to come home. I was hoping to get to this bridge, and I didn't make it there. Right there. Lost connection, and then I have it set so it goes to like 300 feet to come home so it doesn't hit any trees. But at least I know that the drone will come home if it disconnects from my phone. That and this would have been a cool landing, but I learned that drones don't land exactly in the home position. I had flown it off my truck bed and it hit the truck coming down. So I learned a few things today. If you made it this far, hey, please like, share, and subscribe. Can't wait to get this out some more and get some cool video footage. I do have a trip here coming up to Florida that I should get a bunch of stuff while I'm kayaking. But thanks. See you on the trail.